Hello, this is Dr. Bhatti, and I will introduce you to this case study. This 32 years old patient suffering from grade 6 androgenetic alopecia had received a 3000 graft FUT strip procedure in his home country, Australia, a few years back, with not so encouraging growth of hair. After his first failed hair transplant, he now wants his full bald area restored. Due to paucity of available scalp grafts, it was felt to break down the procedure into two sessions to optimally use his donor area. In the first procedure, 1 year back, 2934 scalp grafts and 462 body grafts from the shadow area of the beard were utilized. The result will soon follow. He has now come for filling in the vertex and crown regions after 1 year of the first procedure. It should be noted that though it is today possible to revise failed procedures quite adequately using FUE technique, which utilizes scalp and body grafts optimally, the first hair transplant is the most important and crucial hair transplant. This patient's result would have been much better if he had adequately researched the technique of hair transplant and the doctor clinic with due diligence in the first instance. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to your watching our next video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The button is below. Thank you very much.